Hello guys, welcome back to Windows Fixer. Today's tutorial is going to be a bit interesting because I'm going to share a method with you to block the internet using the firewall. The reason I'm making this tutorial is kind of funny. I gave my little brother the PC to play games, but he ends up using Facebook. I don't want him to use social media too much because, as you guys know, social media and its content can sometimes be inappropriate, especially highlight shots. So that's the reason. Well, watch this video step by step so you can easily understand how the firewall actually works. First of all, just click on this arrow, and then you will see here the Windows security. Sometimes Windows security is not popping up over here, so what you can do here, click on the search button or Windows button, and then you can search here Windows security. Alright, and then open it. Once you open it, it will give you a few options over here. You need to go here, firewall and network protection, and then here you will see advanced settings. Just open it. Once you open it, now here's two options: inbound rule, outbound rule. Now what we are gonna do here, we can import our files like new rule, and then you are blocking specific port. You can block programs, and you can block here even predefined router or adapters settings, etc. I guess. Yes. And this is the custom rule, in which you can do the multiple things. Like if you go over here, you can select program, you can select the program path, and specific servers even you can block from here. But we are going here with the program, and then click on next. Now again program, you can simply click here the program path. Now the thing is, you need to find the exact path. Just suppose I'm blocking my internet from this for Google Chrome. So what we are gonna do here, first just open the exact path which is over here. Just copy this one, or even though you can just click here, open file location. Here is your Google Chrome. Now what you are gonna do here, copy this path, paste here, and then chrome.exe, that's the path. Click on next, block connection, click on next. Now there's 3 domain. Now select 3 domains, click on next. You can type here Google Chrome, click on finish. Now you can see here our Google Chrome have no internet access. We will do the same in the outbound. Again, go program, paste the path, vertical slash, and then chrome.exe, the application, and then click on next. Block the internet connection, click on next. Check these 3 domains, click on next. Google Chrome, and then click on finish. Now internet is not working anymore on my Google Chrome. I will show you. Here is my Google Chrome. If I'm browsing here Facebook, even though if I'm typing here the Google, it's not working at all. You can see, even though I can force to browse, but still it's not working. Now how to reset this? Just again, outbound, you can delete it or disable this rule. If you disable this rule, it will still work. It's disabled. Now let me show you again. I'm just, see, it's working. So if you found today's videos helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. As you know, I mostly create videos based on your comments. So see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.